Welcome to the Lecturio Question Bank walkthrough series. My name's Dr. Ossareh, and I'm going to be walking you through some USMLE questions. Now what we're going to do here is take you and put you inside of my brain as I tackle USMLE questions. You're going to hear me read through question stems and identify key question characteristics. We're going to talk about what subject does this question pertain to, how many steps of reasoning are really required for this question, and also, do I even need the question stem or can I bypass it and go straight to the answer choices? Now while I'm doing that entire process, you're going to be hearing me talk out loud and share my ideas and my strategies. You're going to see me identify key components in the question stem, but also ignore other parts that are extraneous fillers and can be distractors. Now then you'll see me take all that information and narrow it down to the best answer choice. And then once we've done that, we're going to go through the high yield information for that question stem and that right answer. And that's really the perfect way to use a question bank. On the one dimension, you can flex your test-taking strategy, implement it, and learn how to efficiently read and identify key components to a question stem. And then the second component of using a question bank is learning from it, learning really high-yield information from specific questions. And we're going to cover both of those in this walkthrough series. Now I'm really excited for this, so let's jump right into some USMLE questions.